Hey you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tips in case your rear trunk, the motor is not open or no longer working anymore. This might happen if your rear trunk struts is going bad. Because previously when I tried to open this one, after I opened the trunk and tried to lift it up, it was so freaking heavy. And now, after I change the struts, it is so easy to lift up the rear trunk. So let's go ahead and pop it up. So I changed this one. This is the Boxy, B-O-X-I, rear struts. It is a much bigger struts than the original one. The original is about this short, okay? And then the length is exactly the same. So it was pretty hard to get this side out because of the clip. Or maybe the strut was broken. And after I unclipped those two, I had to close the trunk and try to lift it out at the same time, and then that's how it comes out on this side. So that means this side was bad or something. So, and after that, you want to go ahead and disconnect the negative battery and then the positive. Okay, disconnect those two terminals, and you want to touch the positive and negative without connecting to the battery, and then leave it for like 30 seconds to reset the ECU, or else the computer might think the trunk is still give you problem, and then cut out the motor or the actuator. Okay. So yeah, now I'm going to close it. And there you go. You could also open on the driver's side by pressing the button on the driver's side panel over there. Or you could just touch the button on the back of the trunk. Okay. And in case that still doesn't work or whatever, make sure your button on your glove compartment, when it's up, it's cancelled. Make sure it's pressed down, okay? Or else your trunk will not open. And that's how you fix a problem with your rear trunk problem. And hopefully that would help you guys reset and fix the problem with the struts. Because when I tried to lift out, last time was so hard. And each time I disconnect the battery, connect back, it only worked for like a little bit. And then after that, the computer just cut out the actuator motor. So and you gotta use a manual key to open it up. The trunk, that's kind of pain in the butt. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.